All right, this is our project proposal for Kenny, Aaron, and Colton, and it's a pizza calculator app. So our app is to calculate how much pizza a person would get and how much a person would pay. So if you're in a situation like an office or a college dorm, or several situations where maybe several people want pizza and one pizza per person is too much, so you can actually spit out the cost and how many pieces of pizza each person gets with our app. And we feel like it's a creative and unique idea, and we've actually had office situations where Colton works where they have requested this app. We also feel like it's the type of app that fits in the time constraints that we have for this class. So with our app, we wanted to be able to be quick and easy and also accurate for for people to be able to order pizza. They want to be able to use the app very quickly, open it up. It's simple, it's easy to use, and then close it when they're done. Not something they have to think about a whole lot. We also feel like pizza companies would benefit from it because they could put maybe a link to ordering pizza for a particular company on the app, and that would be advantageous for pizza companies, and that would be something that would be cool for us to be able to design. We wanted to implement the Crystal methodology for this project because it has several characteristics um, that make it work really well for our project idea. It's lightweight, it's adaptable, it's tailored to each project so that we can use it in our particular app. We also want to focus on our communication, our skills, and our interaction with each other and with other people. While developing our pizza app, we want to make sure and test our app regularly so that we don't get to the end and have a bunch of problems that we haven't seen or couldn't foresee. Um, a key part of doing this is getting input from users. If they find an error or find a bug or find something that they really don't like or like about it, we want to implement those ideas and solve those problems early in the project. Also, we want to make sure that through the development process we find ways to improve. Make sure in improving the app, making sure that we're not just settling for something because it's a little bit easier, and just getting feedback throughout the process. In our app, we want to implement the osmotic communication. We want to be able to get feedback from each other immediately. As we're working together, we want to be in the same room where we can bounce ideas off each other and just have information flow very easily and rapidly so that our ideas don't get stagnated or they don't get shared or ridiculed. We want to just be able to have an open, friendly atmosphere where we bounce ideas off each other. And I feel like our team members, because we've been able to work a little bit together, have that camaraderie that we can be able to do this and implement the safety features and the communication and working together. We also want to focus on each team member can have time to work so that there are time where there's no interruptions, um, and that we have goals as we're working throughout our project. We want to make sure that we have goals set so that as Colton or Kenny or I am working on something, that we have a goal that I'm going to be making sure that I get what they expect me to do, and I expect them to do certain things, and making sure that we all accomplish those goals. And just as I said earlier, continually testing the app. I think that's crucial for the success of this app, is to continually test it and make sure that we spot problems early on throughout the process, and testing our project throughout the process. So that's our project proposal for Kenny, Aaron, and Colton.